beautiful mamas, welcome back to my channel. I have a really quick haul to show you, a Halloween haul. I'm so excited that it's spooky season. This is one of my very favorite times of the year. So I wanted to share a few things I found at TJ Maxx, and I wanted to send us off into this season because there's just so many fun things about it. I like the spooky but cute type of Halloween decor. Not super big into the gory slasher type decor, but if that's your thing, that's cool too. That's not me these days. Plus I have kids, so. I got this super cute little towel set that I thought was adorable for on the oven. This is by Color Drift. I mean, it's at Home Goods. Our TJ Maxx is like a TJ Maxx Home Goods combo store. So I feel like you can't ever find these things anywhere else. So if you see it, then you have to snag it, right? Look at this. Isn't this so cute? This is like my favorite thing I found. It's metallic. It has all this silver distressing? I don't even know what you'd call it. All over it, but it's so cute. And they're like little dapper ghosts, and there's a jack-o'-lantern and a cat. He's got an owl. It's adorable, and I'm trying to find another one, but I can't find one. There's two shelves on either side of my front door, and they're just the right height for this. And I was like, yes, if I can find another one. So still haven't seen one, but my sister-in-law did find me something. Hold on, I have to show it to you. It's really cute. It's just not quite as tall, so it doesn't quite work, but it's really fun. It's like it's a little black cat and a little tree, a little spooky tree. That's something we look for in the fall with my kids. When we go for walks, we look for spooky trees. They love spooky trees and bats. And it's got a little sign that says haunted house. This is also from TJ Maxx. She found this one just barely recently. All of this stuff is just barely within like the last week. This little cauldron full of little green bubbles and a little broom. So cute. Give you some close-ups. Okay, and then, sorry, I'm trying to make this video fast because I have to go pick up my kids real quick. This pillow is so cute. It's like a little house. I think it's supposed to be haunted, but it doesn't look very haunted. But it's just really cute. It's a little bat over the moon. Just the little beads on there, and just the textures. Cute little spooky tree. Thought this would be cute on the couch. I always want to do cute pillows on the couch, but I just can't bring myself to buy a whole bunch of big pillows. I need to just start getting pillowcases. Do you have a favorite place where you get like holiday pillowcases from? This is for the bathroom. So it says Happy Halloween, and it's so pretty. It's like embroidered. There's little bats on there. Look how cute. I like the edge. It's all black and orange. Very festive. This is by Perry Home, P-E-R-I. It's got a little jack-o'-lantern on the tag. This is $12.99. The pillow was, in case you're looking and you're wondering, $14.99. The ghost statue was, it's on the bottom. Why did they do that? $24.99. And then this little one was also $24.99. There's only a few more things. So this is so cute. My daughter saw this and she's like, Mom, we need to get it. And I was like, okay. Because I thought it was really cute too. So this is a little ghost house. Look at it, it's like a little pumpkin house with little ghosts that live inside. I love the little roofs. They remind me of Hagrid on Harry Potter, but also it lights up. I think it needs batteries, but it does light up, and it's so cute. Isn't that adorable? It was $16.99, so not bad at all. And then this next one is my favorite of all the things I found, and it was so cute that the lady who did the checkout was like, is there another one of these in the back? And I was like, yeah, there's 3. And she's like, I'm gonna get this when I get off work because it's so cute. Look at this. They're little ghosts. It says spooky. How adorable is that? They're like little balloons, little balloon letters. So cute, and I love their little faces. This one has like little pink cheeks. So cute. This was $14.99. And sorry guys, I'm like roasting. It's actually really hot here in October. We don't get cool weather around here. even in October. It's still usually pretty hot. Here's the last thing. I actually got 2 of these. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it though. I think I might take it back because it's really cool, but I don't feel like, I don't know. It didn't work where I thought I was gonna put it. It didn't look quite right. And I feel like it needs, I don't know. I'll play around with it and see. But I thought it was really cool. It's like a giant stack of candles. And they're glittery and they light up. They don't have a timer, which is unfortunate because I feel like if you have something like this, you're gonna want it on a timer. Look how pretty that is. The light is very neutral. It's not a cool toned light or a super yellow light, which I feel like you usually get with a lot of the things at Home Goods. I feel like I always end up with like it's either like blue almost or it's full yellow. And I hate that. It looks so fake. These are obviously fake, but I feel like they're really pretty. So I got 2 of these. I'm not sure yet. I have to decide. What do you think? Do you like these? Do you feel like they could be pretty? I'm trying to decide where I would put them because they don't fit where I thought they would go. Also, if you do like these, tell me below. Are these cute? Do you like them? And then if I keep them, can these work for Christmas? I feel like they could. I feel like I could use these for Christmas decor. I'm trying to decide. So if you have any input, let me know in the comments below. But that's all for my little haul, my little Halloween haul. I hope you enjoyed this. And I have lots more Halloween content coming your way. So if you want to see that, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. If you liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button. It helps me to know that you liked it, but also it just helps to support my channel. So please hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you again for being here and have a great day. Bye.